Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to use couch pillows for easy back support. This will be a full tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video. As you can see here, I have a couch pillow. This is actually an old couch pillow. My wife and I donated a whole bunch of them that we weren't using anymore. We'd replaced them, and I just kept a couple of them to the side so I could use for some videos. That's why it's in the garage, it's all full of grass and dirt and stuff, just because I'm using it for some content. So basically, I'm gonna go over a few ways to use couch pillows so you can get some easy back support, okay? So the first way is to keep the pillow flat. Now you can get, this is a pretty soft pillow, I would say. You can get a soft pillow or a harder pillow. It's completely up to you, whatever suits your needs. But keep the pillow flat. With the pillow flat, you can keep it against your lower back. And obviously you would be sitting against something. So I'll sit against the garage door just to show you. I would be, let's say I had it against my lower back. I'm using it against my lower back as I'm sitting against something. Okay, so against your lower back, or you can have it against your upper back, or both lower and upper if you have multiple couch pillows, or in the middle. And you're gonna place it between your back and the thing that you're sitting against. Let's say I want it in my middle back. I would place it against my middle of my back, in between myself and the garage door if I was sitting against the garage door. And it does give you some good back support, so it really does help. And like I said, you can choose a harder or softer pillow for whatever your needs are, okay? That's the first thing. The second thing is to create a little bit of a lumbar support, which is a little bit of almost like pressure against your back. And you can sort of use this for a multitude of reasons. But you can take a pillow that's like this, that's soft, or it can just be a thinner pillow. But the idea is that you're not going to want to have something super big. You want it to you're going to want it to be specific. So you can take a pillow like this, you can fold it in half, and this can be your lumbar support because it's smaller, or you could just get a smaller pillow in general and use that smaller pillow. But the idea is the same thing. You're going to take this pillow that you folded in half, or your smaller pillow, and you're going to place it either against your lower back or your upper back. Okay, you can even have both if you want to. It's not as common for lumbar, but like generally speaking, let's say I wanted lumbar on my lower back, I'd get that small pillow or the pillow that I folded to be small, I place it against my lower back between myself and the thing that I'm sitting against. And it's really helping my posture pump out like this. So what it's gonna do is it's gonna put a little bit of pressure and make me go like this. It's helping my posture pump out, which is good, okay? You can also do it against your upper back as well. That works as well. And like I said, you could do it against both, but generally speaking, with lumbar, you're going lower, upper, or middle. You're not really doing multiple. That's the idea, but it's up to you. You can use whatever suits your needs. Okay, I did have a couple more things to say. I had a few more points to make, and I didn't have any notes. I just had them off the top of my mind, and I'm just trying to jog my memory to try and figure out what it was. I don't remember what the other points specifically were, to be honest with you. I know I made 2 points there for how to use the pillows. I know there were 4, so I know there were 2 more, and I'm having a hard time remembering, but it's okay. The idea is very, very, very simple, okay? Oh, that's what I was gonna say. So I made the 2 points. The first is using the pillow flat. That was point number 1, flat. Point number 2 was lumbar, folding it up or getting a smaller pillow, okay? Point number 3 is you can also use it for back support if you are sitting against something that's hard like this, like a garage door, not like a couch cushion. I'm sitting against a garage door or a chair with a hard back, right? I can use it to soften the backing. Just in general, it doesn't even have to be, it can just be the thinnest pillow that you can find. You can use it to soften the backing. That is number 3. That is point number 3 for back support using a couch pillow. Okay, that's number 3. And number 4, point number 4, the last one, was that even if you're sitting against something soft, let's say I'm sitting against the couch with a couch pillow, but it's putting me on like a recline a little bit because that's the style of the couch. And I don't want to be on a recline. I can use the pillow to beef me forward, right? And I can use multiple pillows. So like I could use 1 pillow on the bottom and then 2 pillows together on the top, and that will put me upright. So if I'm trying to work on my posture and I'm sitting against something that might be soft, but it's reclining me, I can use those pillows to bring me forward and sit nice with back support while sitting nice and straight. That's the idea. Those are the 4 points that I wanted to make. So number 1 was using the pillow flat, okay, for support, in whichever way you want. Number 2 was either folding it or getting a smaller pillow for lumbar support. Number 3 was using it to soften the backing. And number 4 was using it to straighten your posture out, even if you're already on a soft backing. And that's it. Those are essentially the 4 points that I wanted to make for using the couch pillow for back support. And that's it. Hopefully you liked the video. I tried to keep it short and sweet and straight to the point. Hopefully you enjoyed it. So yeah, that's all I have to say. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.